Good morning, children. In the previous lessons, we already learned 2 lessons, 1 poem. Okay, today I am going to start the new poem, that is Trees. It is done by Shirley Weaver. So before going to poem, I want to tell biography of Shirley Weaver. So he was born on May 1944 and he was died in 1977. Was died 1970. So he did Trees, the poem. He was one of the American poet. Okay, this is the very short biography of Shirley Weaver. Okay, see, children, see here the title Trees, and I also showing you the picture of trees. So already you got the idea about trees. Okay, already you started to think the what ma'am will teach. Okay, see the trees. The trees means okay, you are feeling happy because without knowing every day you are connecting with the nature. Yes, so when you are playing evening and morning and every time you are playing with the tree. Yes, and also we are getting many fruits and something to eat, everything you are getting from the trees. See, dear children, I want to ask one question for you. Do you know how birds and children and people make use of trees? See, usually the birds, see, we need shelter to live, otherwise we can't live here because of the seasons. Yes, because summer season we are getting hot, winter season we are getting cold, and in the rainy season we are getting rain. So we need shelter to live. Yes, they have same here, the birds also, they need shelter to live. So all the trees, all the birds they use, they make the nest in the trees, and that nest they lay eggs and they are eating birds. Yes, so and all the birds they are getting some fruits and flowers and leaves to eat. So here this is the use of birds. Without the birds they can't live. But nowadays we are cutting the trees. So the result is many the birds they build their nest in the buildings instead of trees. So please students, don't cut the trees because it is very essential for birds to build nest or to make nest, and for children. So in urban side we are seeing only the few kinds of trees. Yes, not like in the forest. See, the children they are playing with the trees. So what usually the children will play? They will play hide and seek and swings. So this is the swings. For this game they need tree, and how the people make use of trees. So here how the people make use of trees means here, so not only for children and not only for birds, so how the people are to make use of trees means here, okay, they will build their house, okay, they will make use of furnitures, and they will make some tree houses, and they are conducting some tea parties under the trees. Okay, and one of the main thing is not only for human beings, for all the living creatures we need oxygen to breathe. So we are getting that oxygen from the trees. So without tree we can't live in this world. So the trees are very essential for all the living beings. So don't cut the tree. So we grow the plants. See, children, do you know some name of the plants or trees? Okay, better you write to start in your home. See, I am giving some example here. mango tree, neem tree, banyan tree, jackfruit tree, apple tree, and rubber tree, coconut tree, tamarind tree, etc. Okay, you will get some more. Okay, write down in your notes. Okay. See, I said here many trees. See here we are seeing many trees in our surroundings, and also we are getting many kinds of fruits and flowers from other trees. Yes, we are getting mango, coconut, and the tamarind and neem seeds. Yes, so and jackfruit and papaya. So all we are getting these fruits from the trees. So without trees we can't live. Okay, so let's start this poem, Trees. Okay, students, please you go on with this poem. I will start now. Trees, please you also go on with this poem and practice in your home like this.
Poem Trees by Shirley Bjork. Trees are for birds, trees are for children, trees are to make tree houses in, trees are to swing on, trees are for the wind to blow through, trees are to hide behind in hide and seek, trees are to have tree parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees make mother say, what a lovely picture to paint. Trees make father say, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall.
See, I hope everyone you enjoyed this song. So please you also practice in your home. See, trees are for birds. See students, just to see this picture. So, are you getting? Okay. See this picture. Trees are for birds. So beginning I said here. So why the birds they need tree? Because they need nest to live. The birds make nest in the tree, and they lay eggs in that nest. And the birds also they are getting here fruits to eat. So here the birds need trees. Trees are for children. So how the children they will use the trees to play. See in this picture here the kid is swinging here and hide and seek. We are playing hide and seek in the tree. And trees are to make tree houses in it. So we will build tree houses in the trees. We usually like these houses we are seeing in the Coorg side. So many the houses they built in the trees. The use of trees we will see like that houses in the Coorg side. Trees are to swings on. See here I have said here the trees for children to swings on. Swings means here moving backward and forward and backward. It is the swings. And trees are for the wind to blow through. See, for the trees are for the use of for wind. So when the wind will come, so usually you listen in the forest side just to listen when the wind will come. So the trees are started to moving. Yes, and then there you are getting one of the sound from the trees. Yes, that is a noise from the trees. Usually when it indicates okay the wind blow through on that tree. Okay, that is an example. So when the wind blows by the tree, so that tree started to make noise. Okay, and that noise you will get the idea. Okay, because of the wind. So when it will come, the tree started to move back and forward. And that time we are listening one of the sound of trees, the noise from the tree. It indicates, okay, the wind is blowing through with the trees. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. See, the children, they are playing hide and seek in the tree. Trees are to have tea parties and okay, not only for birds or not only for children and for adults also, they are making the tea parties under the tree. Okay, in the evening time, so many the adult peoples, they are sitting under the tree and they are making some tea parties under the tree. And trees are for kite to get caught in. See, here the children, they are complaining about the tree. So usually why they are complaining here? Because when the children are complaining here, so the kites to get caught in. So when their kites get caught in the tree, this is the catch. Here that is the caught past tense. Catch, caught. So when the kite catch in the tree, so at that time the people do complain about the tree. And trees are to make cool shade in summer. So the people usually in summer season they are searching trees because on that time we are feeling very hot in the weather. So the people they need some shelter to sit, some cool shade. So obviously they are going to sit under the tree in the summer season. So trees are to make no shade in winter. So usually the people they are not interested, not showing the interest to sit under the tree in the winter season because under the tree we are seeing wet, completely the wet land. So on that winter season the people they need sunlight because they want to feel the warmth of their body. Otherwise there is no shade in winter means they are not interested to sit under the tree in the winter because of the wet and the snow. And the trees are for apples to grow on and the pears. Here the tree is for the apples. So we are getting the apple fruit from the tree and pears. So pears means this is also one of the sweet juicy fruit like apple. Okay, we are getting these fruits from the tree and also we are getting many different kinds of fruits in many different kinds of trees. And the trees are to chop down and curl. So trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and called timberer. See, trees are to chop. So usually the old trees are chopped by the timberer because the purpose of we are making the furnitures. Yes, and also we are using for build the houses. That's in reason we are chopping the old trees to build the home and to make the furniture. So trees make mother say what a lovely picture to paint. Here mother is saying here she got one of the inspiration from this tree because she got one of the beautiful picture to paint. Here the mother, she was very much inspired by this tree because she got one of the picture to paint. This is one of the inspiration to her to paint the picture of tree. And here trees make father say what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. See here, but here the father is feeling here bad. So why he was feeling bad here? Because a lot of leaves to rake this fall down. Okay, rake. Rake means falling down. Here falling down. See here, the father was feeling here bad because all okay, completely covered with leaves, fruits and the flowers. But in the summer season, so all the trees, they are looking barely because all the leaves falling down in the summer season. So there is no flowers, there is no leaves, there is no fruits. We are seeing only the empty stem and the branches. Okay, father is saying here, I am feeling bad, particularly in summer season when the leaves to rake fall down. When the rake means falling down. When the leaves started to falling down in the summer season, so he was feeling bad because in the tree there is no fruits, flower and birds. We are seeing only the big trees. So like this here, the poet completely explain about the trees. Okay, you also learned what are the uses of trees by seeing this. Okay, you got one of the idea. So without the tree, we can't live because without knowing, so we depend on the trees. So please don't cut the tree. Please you grow the plant. Okay, because we want here healthy nature. Okay, we will get healthy nature means we are also live healthy. Okay, by saying this, I will complete my poem. Please students, okay, you have to practice in your home and you have to memorize this poem completely with the tune. Okay.